Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing both model and decals so the transfer behaves predictably. Clean the miniature thoroughly and let it dry. Oils interfere with adhesion. Once dry, cut each symbol close to its border to avoid excess film and keep trims organized on a dampened paper towel. Apply a thin satin or gloss varnish over the placement area. This smooth surface prevents silvering and lets you slide the transfer into final position with confidence and a little wiggle. You'll now move the transfer from paper to miniature with controlled motions. Soak the cut transfer for about 10 to 20 seconds so it loosens. Slide it free from the backing using tweezers and a damp brush. Once on the model, use the brush to nudge and align the image precisely, working on a gloss coat so it doesn't catch. If the sheet won't sit into recesses, apply a setting solution sparingly to relax the film, pressing gently into panel lines until it conforms smoothly. You finish by securing the transfer and correcting any problems before the varnish cures. Blot excess water with a soft tissue without rubbing, then allow the decal to air dry fully. This prevents silvering. Once dry, lock the transfer in place with a thin coat of varnish. Choose matte to match painted finishes. If you see wrinkles or silvering, lift the edge with a damp brush and reposition while applying more setting solution, or replace the decal if damaged. This short fix saves the whole panel.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.